Hey there, creative explorers. Before we dive in, pause this video and watch the short intro I posted earlier. It explains why I'm so excited about Google AI Studio and its Nano Banana model. Finished? Great, let's get started. Today, we're turning a single photograph into a jaw-dropping tribute, a towering, hyper-realistic statue of Michael Jackson. Picture this, the king of pop's likeness, larger than life, rising in front of a thundering waterfall. Scaffolding wraps around the figure like a metal cocoon, while workers in bright yellow helmets and orange vests climb, weld, and shout directions. Mist drifts through the air, sunlight catches each spray of water, and the roar of the cascade becomes a natural soundtrack to the construction site. To create that scene, I opened Google AI Studio, selected the Gemini Nano Banana model, and dropped in this simple but powerful prompt. Create a giant, hyper-realistic statue of Michael Jackson, based on the given photo, keeping the original face exactly the same without changes. The statue stands tall in front of a waterfall near a famous historical landmark. The statue is still under construction, surrounded by scaffolding, with many construction workers in yellow helmets and orange vests climbing, welding, and working on it. Why so specific? Because Nano Banana responds best to vivid detail, mentioning Michael Jackson. The waterfall, the scaffolding, and even the safety gear helps the model anchor reality. It also ensures the final image tells a story, the story of an iconic monument in the making, framed by the raw power of nature. When the generation finished, the result was stunning. Michael's face matched our photo down to the last expression line. Steel poles crisscrossed his torso, torches cast warm orange glows against the cool grey concrete, and behind him, the waterfall thundered, veiled in shimmering mist. In the distance, you could spot a historic landmark, just out of focus enough to keep attention on the towering figure. Every worker felt alive, each spark a tiny star against the spray. If you'd like to recreate this yourself, copy the prompt from the description below, paste it into Google AI Studio, and let Nano Banana work its magic. Tweak the location, the weather, or even the height of the waterfall, and you'll get entirely new masterpieces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more AI art adventures. I'm just getting started, and so are you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big and building bigger.